So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, I'm going to be leaving 5 commands down below for both NTFS and for refs file systems. Now you only need to copy and paste one command to either enable it or disable it depending on what file system that you're using. However, first we're going to check the status of both of them. So for the first command, check the status. Under this, we're just going to copy this. We're going to highlight it, do Ctrl-C on our keyboard to copy it, come to CMD, and then do Ctrl-V to paste it, and then click on Enter. So in my case, it's both been enabled because it's been set to 0. If it's on 0, it means it's enabled. So now you just want to copy and paste the command that you need, either enable or disable, either NTFS or the refs file system. Before this video, I'm just going to go through all of them. So to enable trim with NTFS, you want to highlight this, Ctrl-C, and then Ctrl-V to paste it, and then click on Enter. If you want to disable it with NTFS, you want to copy this, do Ctrl-V on your keyboard to paste it, and then click on Enter. This will then disable it. And now if you want to enable with refs file system, you want to copy this, Ctrl-C, come to CMD, and then do Ctrl-V to paste it, and then click on Enter. This will now enable it. And if you want to disable it, you can just copy this last command right here, Ctrl-C, and then Ctrl-V to paste it, and then click on Enter. This will now disable it for the refs file system. That's how you do it. And if you also notice right here, it says this operation takes effect immediately, no reboot required, so you do not need to restart your computer.